Here's an egg fried rice dish with a twist to surprise your guests.
To achieve this dish, you'll need some rice. This is from last night. It's been in the fridge overnight. 3 eggs, light soy sauce, chicken powder, pepper, salt, and some spring onion. To start with, I'm just going to lightly salt the eggs and pepper. Mix them really well. Set that aside. And for the rice, we need some soy sauce. And chicken powder. Mix well in a big bowl. I'll turn this on because it will take a few minutes to heat. Just make sure you coat each grain of the rice with the soy sauce. So if you see any white bits like this, just mix them up with the others. I think that will do. Next step is to heat a pan with some oil. Once the oil is hot, pour the egg mixture into the pan to make an omelette. Move the eggs around a little. Flip around. Like so. Okay, have a chopping board next to you. You will see why in a minute. Transfer the omelette to the chopping board. This is slightly different from the traditional way of frying the egg fried rice, but it will make it interesting. Add a little bit more oil into the pan. The next thing is to go to just cook the rice. Add the rice mixture to the pan. Fry that. Takes about a minute or two. add half of your spring onion in here. Mix well. That's great. Sorry. So the omelette is cooked, the rice is...
Start again, because you have to wait for it to start recording.
So the omelette is cooked, the rice is cooked. The next step is just roll the egg like so and cut it as thinly as you can. And you will have noodle-like eggs, like so. Just going to plate that at the bottom of a container. Like that. Give me a second. And next thing to do is to place the rice on top. Make sure you press it so that you'll fill any gaps. Next step, place a plate on top. Flip it over. Give a gentle tap. And garnish some of the remainder of the spring onion on top. And you have a beautifully plated egg fried rice.